Today in Fatim Ali's kitchen, we're cooking this lovely fish. This fish is from Gambia all the way, and every Gambian knows this fish. It's called a catfish. Look at this big head. Oh my God, I love to chew the heads, and my kids love the eyes. That's terrible. I'm gonna cut the head off for that one in the middle, and then that's what we're gonna cook today. It's called chuyu korong. So that's how we call it in Gambia, but we will show you step by step. You're not gonna miss anything, my people. We're also going to be adding this crocker fish in it as well, because I'm going to cook a big portion today, so that one fish is not enough, so I'm gonna add this crocker with it. I'm gonna clean that and cut it into pieces. I'll show you all later. Close, not too close. See. So we're gonna fry our onions. So earlier we blended few onions with tomato, and we're just frying that right now. We're gonna fry that for about 10 minutes. We're going to stir a little bit. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, and I'll let it to fry for 10 minutes.
11 minutes later.
The onion has fried. We're adding two teaspoons of our knockers, our green knockers in the stew. And we're going to stir all that thoroughly. And we're going to add our tomato paste that was used earlier, and that I used earlier in one of the cookings, so I froze the other one that was left. We wait for it to dissolve before we add our other ingredients. Tomato is all dissolved at the moment. We add a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili, stir nice and gentle. We put our vegetables in now. We've got cassava, we've got cabbage, carrots, We got potatoes going in as well. Now we put the fish in. We put some bay leaves in as well. That's it. So we're gonna let that cook for about half an hour, and then we will show you later on once it's ready. We'll be back. Guys, we're making spinach and okra as well for our fish stew, and it's basically like when you have ketchup on chips. You have green spinach with okra, boil all of them together, and then after boiling it, you blend it in the blender, add some chilies, some spices in, and add some lemon juice in, blend it all. Then we're going to have that with our rice and our fish stew. It's gonna be nice, I'm telling you. You wait for it. So when the spinach was cooked earlier, we turned the gas off and let it cool down for a little bit before we put it in a blender. We are also going to add one zested lemon, and also we will add one lemon juice, the one that we just zest. I'm telling you guys, try to zest one lemon and put it in your spinach and okra. It gives it that zesty lemon taste. Very nice. Squeeze it until all the juices come out. It all come out. Yeah. We use the sieve to take the seeds out. Sieve it in there. One jumbo cube. One teaspoon of chili. And then we blend. That's absolutely enough. And we just, wow, look at that. Put it back in there. there you go, guys. This is our blended spinach and okra, which is going with our rice.